introduction. So this project is about parking studies. Parking studies should be conducted to collect the required information about the capacity and the existing parking facilities. Thus, the information of the demand for parking is crucial and need to be known. So for this project, the license plate survey data was given. Thus, at the end of the project, we can analyze what is the average parking duration and parking turnover for each row at the parking lot. Next, we can also know the parking occupancy for every 15 minutes for each row and at the parking lot, and would the parking spaces be adequate in 5 years' time.
I would like to talk about the parking duration and parking turnover. We're using the parking duration and parking turnover, which is using in the parking lots and for each row. And the parking duration formula is equal to the number of observation and interval divided by the number of vehicle. For the parking turnover, the formula is the number of parked vehicle divided by the number of parking space.
Okay, for this project, our company used this formula to calculate the parking occupancy. The formula of parking occupancy is number of space occupied divided by number of parking space and multiply 100. The answer we got in percent. By using this formula, we analyze parking occupancy every 50 minutes for each row, such as carpool parking, priority parking, parking A, B, C, D, E, F. Next, we analyze parking occupancy every 50 minutes for the parking lots. There are two tables we can see the answer we got from calculation. Table first is for parking occupancy every 50 minutes for each row. The second table is for parking occupancy every 50 minutes for parking lots. Then, to determine which row has the highest and lowest parking demand, we provide by using the value of turnover on the previous question. From the figure above, the highest parking is the carpool parking row with 3.14 vehicle per space. Meanwhile, the lowest parking demand is the priority parking row with 0.8 vehicle per space.
For this project, our company used the parking occupancy method to find the peak period. From the result obtained, there are two times with the same highest value, which is 253.62, while the first one is 1:30 until 2:30 p.m. and the second one on 2:45 until 3:45 p.m. Then, to determine whether the parking lot is adequate or not in the 5 years time, our company used a method of probability of parking rejected. To be concluded, the parking lot not adequate because there are 0.9.
Now it's time for me to conclude our presentation for today. I can describe that J&F Highway and Transportation Sdn has done their task successfully. The tasks were given by the management of a community of a library to conduct a parking study toward its parking lot. And what we have done is, we able to calculate the parking duration, we able to calculate the parking turnover, and lastly we able to calculate and determine the parking occupancy in every 15 minutes for each row and 4 parking lots. So we are able to conclude into a one big conclusion that the parking space is not adequate for 5 years in advance. So our suggestion is to add or to provide more parking lots in that area. Because what? Because a library must have enough parking space to provide for the needs of the staff, for the needs of the students, and for the needs of the visitors that go to the library.